If you've ever felt like you're trapped in a kind of diet circus where one week carbs are the enemy and the next week fat is, then this deep dive is for you.
It really is. We've been going through this monumental new guide that calls itself a no BS journey to food freedom.
And it does that by tackling, what, 100 different diets?
100, yeah.
Wow.
It's an epic tome. And it's not just a list. It analyzes and structures everything.
So you've got the big ones like Mediterranean, intermittent fasting, keto.
Right, the scientifically backed ones.
Yeah.
But then it goes all the way to the, let's just say, scientifically questionable. The goal is to give you all the information so you can navigate the noise yourself.
So what's the philosophy here? I mean, what makes this guide different from the thousands of others out there?
Well, the authors call themselves slightly caffeinated nutrition nerds, which I love.
Oh, yeah.
And their whole mantra is science first, hype never. So it's all built on actual research, not just, Instagram testimonials.
Okay, but that brings up a question for me. If they're so focused on science, why even bother including the dangerous stuff? I saw things in there like the breatharian diet, surviving on air.
And the cotton ball diet, yeah.
Exactly. Why give those space?
That's actually the most brilliant part. By including the entire range, from the best to the absolute worst, they give you the full context. They don't just list them, they flatly state, we do not recommend this, and then they explain exactly why it's dangerous.
Ah, so it's about education, not endorsement.
Precisely. It shifts the entire mission. It's not about finding the one best diet for everyone. It's about finding your diet.
Right.
The one that actually makes you feel good and fits your life.
Which is such a powerful idea. It's like the antidote to all that diet shaming you see online.
It is. The book basically says, hey, if keto works for your friend but makes you feel like a zombie, you're not failing. You're just not a zombie person. It's data.
You're the CEO of your own body. I like that.
That's the core message. So after sifting through all 100 of these approaches, they found 3 principles that kind of hold true no matter what.
Okay, let's get into those because that sounds like the key takeaway. What's the first one?
It's the simplest one, and you've heard it a million times. Eat mostly whole foods.
Just real food, not stuff from a box with a million ingredients.
Exactly. It's the one thing that basically every single successful approach agrees on.
Okay, makes sense. What's number 2?
This one's a bit more nuanced. It's listen to your body. Pay attention to your energy, your mood, how you sleep, not just the number on the scale.
So if a diet promises results, but you're constantly hungry and irritable, it's not working.
It's not working for you. That's the difference. And the third principle is, well, it's my favorite.
Let's hear it.
Enjoy your food. They literally say fun is mandatory.
I love that. So a plan that makes you miserable or treat food like a math problem is doomed to fail.
Absolutely. Because it's not sustainable. If you can't have a piece of birthday cake without feeling like you've ruined everything, the plan is broken, not you.
So the big lesson from all of this is that your body is, smarter than any book.
That's it in a nutshell.
So for someone listening, how do they actually apply this? I mean, 100 choices is still a lot.
Right. So the guide gives a really clear next step. Don't try to do everything. Just pick one approach from the book that actually sounds interesting or exciting to you.
Just one.
Just one. Try it for maybe 2 to 4 weeks. And here's the critical part. Judge its success by how you feel. Energy levels, mood, sleep, not just the scale. Then you adjust. The guide is a toolkit, not a set of commandments.
That feels so much more empowering. Success isn't about fitting into your high school jeans.
No. Success is feeling confident and energized. It's about not having to think about food every single waking moment. That's the real food freedom.
So the final thought for everyone listening is to maybe just ask yourself, what's one simple choice you can make today to just thank your body for keeping you going?